What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the camera lag issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all open and close the camera app 2 to 3 times. So just simply open the camera app, click on the recent key and close it. So after doing it 2 to 3 times, the camera lag issue will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon. Now click on restart and then again click on this restart icon to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, it will fix small software glitches like camera lag issue. Now after restarting, if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution is check for software updates. So for that, open settings, scroll down and click on software update and then click on download and install. Now from here, check if you have a available software update for your phone. So if there is any update, then update your mobile software to latest version, and after updating your mobile software to latest version, the camera lag issue will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.